We have a Chayote update, and it's time to harvest and cook and share a familiar chicken dish. Curious?
Yeah, I certainly am. I'm looking forward to this.
Good old tinola dish, but this time enhanced. Our international friends are delighted. Hello, warm welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's a special day today. We're harvesting our very first chayote. Look. And also here. Join me at the back of the shed where we cook this. We're preparing chicken tinola today. It's an old recipe, proven recipe, but I'll give you two very special tips on how to make this more special, more tasty. So in me, there's more than learning and fun. We've done this dish several times before. For our Spanish-speaking audience, there's a video shot in Spanish here available. Disponible en español. Sopa de pollo con chayote e hojas de chile. And I forgot to mention, today it's also special because we just received our full harvest of chili leaves and we'll be conserving this, freezing this for our tinolas in the future. Let's continue with our chayote, or with our tinola. You know, I'm still struggling on the best arrangement in the new kitchen, or in the new shed. Problem with the light. Too much light. I've washed the chayotes already, but look, the sap irritated my skin. If you're sensitive, wear gloves. Something learned today. I think we can start with our stir fry here. There's quite some challenges today. I ran out of ginger and I cannot find my big pot. I still can't understand how all this could fit into this pan. Let's start. If you're finding instructional as well as entertaining value of this video, don't forget to subscribe. This is nothing new. The sofritos, these ingredients, onions, the ginger, which is not enough. They're translucent now, which means we can add the, what's this? The garlic. Stay with me because I'll be giving you a tip and I'll demonstrate how to enhance further this. People use chicken cubes or powder to enhance the chicken taste further, but you can enhance that even further by adding it at this point. Include it in the stir fry. In that way you infuse the flavor in the oil and not in the water. Of course later add more powder in the water. I'll be showing that. We'll illustrate that now, adding some chicken powder or chicken cube in the stir fry or in the oil. This will darken the oil because it easily burns, but you could smell the difference now, the aroma. I'll add the chicken before the garlic and the onion burns. I'll just hold this. Not ideal, but we will survive. We are in the garden. We don't have the complete provision of a kitchen or of a home. We just have to stir this until it's no longer pink. Notice that it's no longer pink. That means we can add, tip number 2, to enhance the flavor even further, add patis, or in Italian, Colatura de Chile. Note that it's not just the Pinoys or the Thais that use fish sauce. In the southern parts of Italy, this is also done. I mentioned Colatura de Chughe, which means the seepage or the drippings. I use patis or Colatura in many of my dishes. Chicken adobo is one, minodo is one. The Thais use it in the red or green curry. Can you name more dishes where we add fish sauce too? We can add water now. I can add more flavoring at this point. Enhancer. And while waiting for this to cook, I can prepare the chili leaves. I would like to thank my neighbor, Ali. This is actually his waste, and it's my harvest. For those who just found this recipe, if you're wondering what's the flavor, it tastes like spinach and and celery combined. I'll be freezing this for my 1 year supply, or more than a year supply, of chili leaves for my future tinolas. If you're curious how, there's a clip or there's a video which I'm providing here. We can help it. There's no space. Let's just boil this for I think 5 minutes, and then we add the chili.
There's not much place.
It's good. So curious.
Yeah, I certainly am. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. I brought a little bread.
Okay.
To have with it.
Where do you want to savor my my soup? Inside or outside?
Oh, either is good, I have to say.
Okay. Ludo. I'll add more water.
And then 3 hours after, if it's... And 3 hours in the
If you notice, we didn't eat it with rice, but it's equally delicious. Everyone was satisfied. Thank you for joining us today. Happy with my harvest. Happy with my dish. It's my hope that you too have been inspired to do the same. Grow, cook, and share.